Winter may not be the best time for sports cars, but snow and ice can still provide a ton of fun in the right vehicle. The Porsche Macan GTS I had back in January was a riot in the snow, and it was wearing nothing more than a good set of winter tires. What you really need to conquer the frozen north is tracks. These replace wheels with the same sort of equipment that helps tanks and snowmobiles roll over damn near everything in their paths. That's what makes the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD all-mountain concept so awesome. That and the 910 pound-feet of torque from the 6.6-liter duramax turbo diesel V8.